Good morning everyone. So it's gonna be another video here in Palolem. We keep extending here. I think we're gonna end up spending a total of 8 nights here because we're enjoying it so much, and there's still more stuff to see and do here. There is a lot to do. Right now we're in that same restaurant that I showed you last time, the Cozy Nook. It's been our favorite place to chill out here. Every day for 250 rupees we've been getting this fruity cheesy breakfast. So here we have Goan bread, got the cheese, bowl of fruit here, butter, also comes with some watermelon juice and masala chai that they're about to bring. And this is the reason right here why we keep coming for breakfast, because you get this really nice relaxing view. So we just crossed that river back there, once again like the other video here, going to our favorite beach, that hidden beach. And today the actual plan is that we're going to head to a new beach called Butterfly Beach. We're going to get some kayaks later on from a guy that's at our guest house, and then we should be able to kayak to there. That's what I was told anyway. This little island that you see here, we'll kayak around that, and Butterfly Beach is on the other side. We told the guy that we'll only go at around 2 PM, and I think it's around 12 now, so yeah, that's why we came to this beach, just to relax a bit before we head out. Just like last time, completely deserted. Just a few guys with a boat there. Yeah, this place is just too good. Awesome relaxation spot. Is that our spot? Yeah. Oh, we got lizard. It's already occupied. Hello, we'd like to have our spot, please. He doesn't move. Whoa, that's a different kind of lizard. Check out this little gecko. Guys, so we got today's animal of the day, the beach puppy. Hello. The cutest dog we've seen so far in Goa. Yeah. Beach pupper. Alright, so the kayak adventure begins. This is gonna cost us 300 rupees per hour. It's usually 400, but since we're doing it for a few hours, they reduced the price, that's what they said. So 300 per hour, and I think we're gonna do it for 4 hours. So like I said before, right now we just head into Butterfly Beach, which is the place we want to go. And I don't think we have to go around the island because the tide is actually high. We thought it was going to be low, so yeah, we can go between right now. For what he said, it'll take about 30 minutes, I think, 45 minutes, depending how fast we go. So yeah, let's head there now. arrived at Butterfly Beach. Not exactly what we were expecting though. It's definitely not that secluded. There's a lot of people here coming on the boat tours. I thought it was going to be kind of empty like the last beach we were on. But yeah, there are quite a lot of people here because it's such a small beach. Still very beautiful though, look. You can see there's no huts, restaurants or anything here. Yeah, so nothing developed at all. I think Carol regrets the kayak trip.
Yeah, it was hard.
I wasn't expecting it to be that hard.
Yeah, because we were against the tide. So
yeah. My shoulders are on fire.
Yeah, mine too. Tomorrow it's gonna be worse.
Yeah, gonna feel it. Anyway, it's 3:30 now, so we've probably got about 2 hours to just, yeah, relax here before we have to head back. And hopefully the tide's the same way, because then it might actually take us back without us having to paddle that much, but we'll see. It's so deep here, right?
Yeah, 2 steps and it's already like too deep.
Yep. You can probably see though the water is a beautiful kind of turquoise color. Turquoise blue. So yeah, that's really nice here. And just as usual, the perfect temperature. And yeah, pretty calm. Just deep, that's all. So I'm actually liking this beach quite a lot. People just keep coming and going on the boats. You get some periods where there's nobody here. A lot of the people did the trail here. You can get like a tuk-tuk or yeah, whatever form of transport to a trail. I think you come from behind there. So I think that's what a lot of people did. See a lot of people now leaving on the boats. And I think we're the only people that came here by kayak. I haven't seen a single other person arrive by kayak yet, so yeah, we're the only crazy ones. So what do you think of the beach, Carol?
It's way better now. There's only a few people. It's very calm.
Yeah, now we just got these set of foreigners. That's about it. And looks like the sunset's gonna be soon, so we don't want to go out too late. So time to hop back on our kayak and head out that way. it's been a lot nicer the way back. It's yeah, kind of a bit calmer, only when the boats are passing by it gets really wavy, but right now just so peaceful floating around. And we came out later because we wanted to catch the sunset on the kayak. Never done that before, so that's actually looking quite nice now. See over there behind the rocks. Can't really hear anything right now, just the waves crashing on the rocks behind us. Got a great view of Palolem beach here from far away. No idea where we're staying. So we're going to be heading over there right now.